in the remote Patagonian region of Chile. The marble caves present a surreal spectacle. Carved into the solid marble of a peninsula on Lake General Carrera. These caves are accessible only by boat. Over thousands of years, the azure waters of the lake have sculpted the marble into smooth, swirling patterns, creating a mesmerizing array of blues, greens, and whites. The intensity and hue of the colors change with the water level and the season, making each visit unique. The play of light within the caves, reflecting off the water and marble, creates an almost otherworldly experience.